you.
Yeah.
They generally, when you are either truck and pup or you're transfer and you come back to do your second dump, they want you to get in front of the other trucks that haven't dumped out at all yet. And that way it kind of keeps everything moving. Because if I had to wait behind all those supers, it would take a little bit longer, obviously.
Leaving the paver.
Okay, I'm up. This is nice. We're paving uphill. You don't have to really think about paving uphill. You don't have to worry about how much pressure you're putting on the brakes.